A very cheerful and happy morning to one and all present over here. My name is Tanmay Jadhao, and once again I am here with you all to give you an interesting analysis on tissue, and it is part 3. And this part 3 is fully dedicated to animal tissue, and in part 2 I have explained about plant tissue. Okay, so let's move. So students, animal tissues are of four types. Okay, animal tissues are basically of four types. First is epithelial tissue, second is connective tissue, third is muscular tissue, and fourth is nervous tissue. So one by one we will study. First, epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue, it consists of single layer of cells. Blood vessels are absent. It covers all the organs, the skin, lining of mouth, lining of blood vessels, kidney tubules are made up of this tissue. Okay. Epithelial tissue. It consists of single layer. It consists of only single layer of cells. Blood vessels are absent. In epithelial tissue, blood vessels are absent. It covers all the organs. Epithelial tissue covers all the organs. Like our skin, our hand skin, we can say, lining of mouth, lining of blood vessels, kidney tubules are made up of this tissue. Okay. And again, epithelial tissue are classified into four types. Squamous epithelial tissue, second is cuboidal epithelial tissue, third is columnar epithelial tissue, and fourth is stratified squamous epithelial tissue. So one by one we will study. Okay. First is squamous epithelial tissue. Okay. In this, cells are arranged end to end like tiles on floor. Okay. In this, cells are arranged end to end like tiles on floor. Cells. In part 1 I have explained about the cells. Cells are a very small unit or very basic unit of all living organisms. Yes, and it also provides it also work or it also performs basic functions like respiration, nutrition, etc. So these cells are arranged end to end like tiles on floor. Okay, it forms lining of cavities like mouth, esophagus, nose, etc. It also forms blood vessels covering of tongue and skin. Yes, epithelial cells are arranged in many layers to prevent wear and tear in skin. Next is cuboidal epithelial, cubical or cubical epithelium. In these, cells of these tissues are cube in shape. Name is cubical, so from name only we can understand these cells will be of cube type, means um, in cube in shape. Okay, it is also found in kidney. It also provides mechanical support. Cubical epithelium, cells of these tissues are cube in shape. From name only we can understand that, or we get idea that these cells are of cube shape. Okay, it is found in kidney as well as it provides mechanical support. Third is columnar epithelium tissue. It act or it work like pillar like structure. It forms lining of stomach. It also forms small intestine and large intestine. Okay. Columnar epithelium, it act as a pillar like structure. Okay. and second is it forms lining of stomach, and third is it also forms small intestine and large intestine. Fourth is stratified squamous epithelium. It consists of squamous epithelial arranged in layers, okay, present in uteria, esophagus, etc. Now, connective tissue. Okay, now we will study about connective tissue. So, in connective tissue, the cells of the connective tissue are widely spaced. Yes, the basic functions is to provide support and connect different organs. Their basic functions is to provide support and they connect to different organs like our brain. In brain also there are various types of connective tissue which are connected to various types of organs or different organs. Okay, and types of connective tissues are areolar tissue, adipose tissue, okay, skeletal tissue. Again, skeletal tissue are divided into four types. Now first, areolar tissue. This tissue fills space inside organs and is found between the skin and the muscle. Okay, this tissue, areolar tissue, fills space inside organs and is found between the skin and the muscle. Suppose this is a skin, yes, skin, and inside the skin is muscle. So the remaining portion is filled by the areolar tissue. Okay, adipose tissue. It found below the skin around the heart, brain and below the eyeballs. Okay. Adipose tissue, it is found below the skin. Okay. Adipose tissue is found below the skin around the heart as well as brain and the below the eyeballs. Skeletal tissue. Again, skeletal tissue is classified into four types. First is bone. Bone, everybody knows bone. Yes, it forms the framework that supports the body. Ligaments, two bones are connected to each other by ligament. Two bones, suppose these are two bones, they are connected to each other by ligaments. Okay. Tendons, it connects muscles to bones. Tendons connects muscles to bones. Cartilage, this is elastic, less harder to other bones. It composed of proteins and sugars. Okay. Now, muscular tissue. Movement happen in our body by the help of muscular tissue. Okay. We are able to walk, we are able to do various types of work in this in our day-to-day life because of muscular tissue. Okay. uh, Muscular tissue are again classified into three types: striated muscles, smooth muscle and cardiac muscles. Striated muscles, these muscles are attached to the skeleton by tendons. These muscles get tired and need rest. Cells of these are multinucleated and unbranched. Striated muscles, these muscles are attached to the skeleton by the tendons. They are attached to the skeleton by the tendons. Okay, they are attached to the skeleton by the tendons. These muscles get tired and need rest. Yes, these muscles get tired and they also need rest. Okay, cells of this are multinucleated and unbranched. Second type is smooth muscle. These muscles are involuntary. These muscles are involuntary. Yes, uninucleated and spindle shaped. Yes, these muscles are involuntary, uninucleated and spindle shaped. Third type is cardiac muscles. These muscles are involuntary and only found in the wall of heart, and only the cardiac muscles is there who is found in the wall of the heart. And last is nervous tissue. Okay, Cells of the nervous tissue are highly specialized for being stimulated and then transmitting to stimulus very rapidly from one place to another. Nervous tissue, everyone knows about the nervous tissue. Yes, cells of the nervous tissue are highly specialized. They are highly specialized for being stimulated and then transmitting to stimulus very rapidly from one place to another. Nervous tissue also transfer the various types of reactions which happens in our body. Okay, cells of nervous tissues are highly specialized. Yes, these are highly specialized and then transmitting to stimulus very rapidly from one place to another. Okay. So students, I have completed the whole chapter tissue. Okay, part 1, part 2 and part 3. So thank you so much students for watching this video, and if you have any doubts, so please comment me on comment section. Have a great day ahead. Bye.